हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल शर्मा जी के रोबोट। तो आज हम बना के देखेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ टिंकर कैड कि कैसे हम एलसीडी स्क्रीन पे कोई भी चीज़ डिस्प्ले कर सकते हैं, चाहे वो अपना नाम हो, चाहे कोई भी चीज़ हम डिस्प्ले करना चाहें। अगर कोई गेम बनाना चाहें वो भी हम कर सकते हैं बहुत ही आसान तरीके से। तो आइए देखते हैं कैसे टिंकर कैड की हेल्प से हम वो चीज़ करते हैं।
चाहिए। First of all, we have to take the Arduino, breadboard. Take this breadboard, 16 cross LCD module. So we can take this LCD module and we have to connect like this. Anywhere we can connect and take the register. Take this register and start connecting everything. तो मैंने रजिस्टर लिया और इसको मैंने यहाँ पे कनेक्ट कर दिया। यहाँ से हम पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव पावर सप्लाई दे सकते हैं। जैसा कि हमें यहाँ पे 5 वोल्ट की सप्लाई देनी है, तो मैंने 5 वोल्ट का कनेक्शन कर दिया एलसीडी ब्रेडबोर्ड से। एंड वी कैन चेंज द कलर ऑफ दिस वायर। मैंने रेड कलर का वायर लिया है फॉर पॉजिटिव सप्लाई एंड आई एम टेकिंग द ग्राउंड टर्मिनल। This is the negative power supply. I am taking the black color as negative power supply. तो हमने पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव पावर सप्लाई यहाँ पे ब्रेडबोर्ड में हमने दे दिया। So I have to connect this with the negative supply, this resistor, and this one we have to connect with the positive supply. I'm taking red color. Same thing we have to do. This is the ground supply, ground. So I have to connect with the ground. And take black color for ground. And this is VO. VO also we have to connect with the negative power supply. And I'm taking this read also have to connect. Sorry, this right have to connect with the negative supply. VCC have to connect with the positive supply. Everyone you know कि VCC जहाँ भी होगा वहाँ हम positive power supply करेंगे. Now I have to connect. So display something. So this is the read. I have to connect with the number. Any digital pin you have to connect, but I am connected with number 12. I'm deleting this, so I'm connecting again. Connect with number 12. मैंने रीड को कनेक्ट कर दिया पिन नंबर 12 से। Now I'm connecting this with pin number 11. I'm taking different color. Now I have to connect this one, DB3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. So I have to connect with these 4. So first of all, I have to connect this one. So आप different कलर का यूज करके इसको कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. So I'm taking with this pin number 2. I'm taking 2 small and we have to take any other color. Now I have to connect this one with pin number 3. ऐसे ही मैंने DB5 को कनेक्ट कर लिया पिन नंबर 4 से. Now I have to connect with this pin number 5. I'm taking different color. You can change the color. I'm taking blue. This one I'm taking purple, and this one I'm taking pink. So these are the power supply I have to connect it, and from where we have to take the output. So now we are going to do the programming, Arduino programming. So how can we do that? So first of all, you have to click on the code option and click on this text option. Click on continue. So you can see already some program is already written here. So you can write here. As include. And take this bracket and you have to write LiquidCrystal.h and you have to close this. Now I'm taking liquid writing LiquidCrystal. So you can write the program like this, LiquidCrystal LCD. So I'm taking pin number 12, pin number 11, pin number 5, pin number 4, pin number 3, pin number 2. And to close this, semicolon and byte setup. So in byte setup, LCD dot begin and small bracket we have to take 16,2. Now in the loop, LCD dot set cursor, from where we have to fix the position of your word. Like you have to write something, so fix the position of that words, semicolon, enter. LCD dot print and you have to print hello world, hello, and you have to close in semicolon, double inverted comma, LCD dot set cursor, where we have to fix the second word position 2,1, semicolon, next LCD dot print I'm writing my name, Akhilesh. Now I'm going to check this is working or not. So I have to click on the start simulation. So you can check. Okay, so thank you so much. Please stay tuned for the next session.